Are you tired of not being able to sell your home? Are you sick of trying so hard without any success? Hi, I'm Lisa Nash from Zolo Realty. After watching many sellers struggle with trying to sell their home, we have written a series of books. This book shows you how to sell any home in any market. Learn how to make the most money out of your home in the shortest amount of time. These strategies have helped sell thousands of homes, and now you have them all at your fingertips. Inside, you will learn how to sell a home without dropping the price, grabbing any buyer's attention, what stops perfect homes from selling, why buyers skip your home, how buyers pick what homes to preview, and a big mistake that cost one home seller $36,000, and of course, much more. These strategies have been thoroughly tested and proven effective time and time again. Don't miss out on this opportunity to learn tips and tricks to help you sell any home, even hard to sell homes. We have a limited number of free books to give away. To order your free copy, simply go to toprealestatebooks.com or call Lisa at 416-460-4343. Let us help you get your home sold.